Hey, in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to another wallet, or basically how to withdraw from Binance. It's actually a simple tutorial, so give me a like and hit the subscribe button. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are on the right version of Binance app. So you don't want to be on the light version, you want to be on this one. I know some people have the light version right here, so you want to switch off it and then use the real one. So this is how the light version works. I never use it, so just go Pro at the top right corner. The next thing you want to do is go over to your wallet at the bottom right corner. You want to click on Spot or Funding, wherever you have your money, and you want to click on Withdraw. From there, you want to select the currency, for in our example USDT. You want to withdraw to a crypto network or to an email. So if you choose email or phone, you basically be withdrawing to your friend. So you want to click on USDT and crypto network. And from there, you want to select the person that you want to withdraw to. So you can select different addresses. Let's say that the address is blah, 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 just like so. Let me select some address. I get the lowest fees on Binance Smart Chain. You can see 28 cents. You want to select that. If the wallet is a Binance Smart Chain 1, click on Max, click on Withdraw, and then they'll have a few questions for security. And that's it. If you still have any questions about withdrawing or transferring USDT from Binance to another wallet, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. If the video helped you out, give me a like. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, and I want to see you in the next one.